What's up, guys? Infod.monae here, coming at you guys with another video. So today I am coming at you with a unboxing. So I picked up a Apple Watch. Now listen, your girl likes to shop on a budget, so I picked up this Apple Watch because it was on sale for $199, and I'm going to show you which one I have. So this is the Apple Watch Series 3. And this is the box this is the Apple box that it came in. And it just has Apple, Apple Series 3 at the front. Then it has the information on the back, and it comes pretty sealed. Okay, so if you want to see this video, then stay tuned.
You feel the vibe is contagious. Look in your eyes, shit is dangerous. Real ass nigga, give a fuck about a bitch. It is what it is, this some 5-star dick. She a big gold freak, it's a must. Agree with me for once. Maybe we can be on chill tonight.
Taking off of the Apple Watch. And this is the Apple Watch Series 3. It is 38mm case. It is space gray aluminum. Sports band is black. So those are, let's see if I can get you to see that. Yeah, so on the end of the box, it has the information about, there you go. So at the end of the box, it has the information about, it has the information about the Apple Watch right here at the end of the box. So it has a picture of the Apple Watch, and then it has the name of the Apple Watch that you have in the color of the sports band. Okay, and there's a little seal that comes here. You can pull that out. So there's a seal at the end. I'm going to turn it to the side. There's a seal at the end. You pull it, and you pull the box out. Okay. So in here, you have, so you pretty much have some papers that come in here that has Apple Watch on it. And the back paper says Apple Watch information. Then there's another paper. Okay, so in this folder, comes a band. And then the box right here in the inside, the same thing that it had on the clear paper of the watch, it also had it here, showing you how to adjust the band and how to tighten it up. There's also the extra band, and this right here, the round piece, is the Apple Watch charger. So this is the charger to the watch. So pull this out. So you'll need the box to hook this up to. That was odd. They didn't see a box. So this is what the charger looks like. Is a little white round piece, and then there's just the regular end to iPhone. Alright. Okay. So, and that is that. Alright. So the actual watch is in the bottom of the box, and this is what that looks like. See that in the box? Okay, so I see what this is. So they have it. The watch comes with the clear papers on it, and then the front is also wrapped in clear paper as well. So it also has directions, if you can see here, Yeah, so it has 1, 2, 3. They are actually showing you how you can adjust the watch. So you can start at the loosest end, move it up to it, make it a little bit tighter, and then adjust it to the third one and make that even tighter to adjust the small wristbands. The people who have small wrists. So if you have a bigger wrist, it shows you how to adjust it, and people with the smaller wrists. So we are going to take this out. All right. So they also have a piece of plastic here, right where there is the latch to connect in those holes. There's a piece of plastic up there. And so on the back of the Apple Watch, there is some information about the watch. So it just basically tells you that it is an Apple Watch Series 3. It tells you the color and that it is GPS. It's black, glass, and then the wristband is a small medium. So it has the size. You might, yeah, it has the size of the wristband, and then on the opposite end, it has the same thing as the box at 38 mm. Okay. And again, this is the black band, and it's space. The color of it is space gray. It looks black on the camera, but the color is actually space gray. Okay, so let's see if we can figure out how to turn it on. Okay, so you press, there's a button right here on the side, and you hold it down, and you can see that the Apple Watch is starting to come on. So they do have a button right here for you to turn it and adjust it. Of course, I don't know exactly what the button is used for yet, because I am waiting for the watch to come on. So once the watch is coming on, there is a little apple. There's a little apple that's right there as the watch is loading. And I do like the black band. I do like the black band, but I'll probably end up giving me a pink or rose gold band to go with this. Okay, so now you see that the Apple Watch has came on, and this right here is the first screen that pops up once the watch comes on. So it's a phone, and it is a watch, and it says Apple Watch. So it's walking you through the different steps to get the watch set up. So it asks you what language you want to set it up with. So I'm going to select English. Back down. Alright, so I have set the watch up already. But this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please let me know if you have an Apple Watch, and let me know how you like it and the different things that it do. I will be playing around with the watch. Again, I got the Apple Watch Series 3. I purchased it for $199 online, and I have it in space gray. Comment down below in the comment section and let me know if you have an Apple Watch and how do you like it, or if you're considering getting an Apple Watch. Don't be sure to like the video, comment, share, subscribe, listen. Hit that bell notification. It's popping over here. It's popping over here. So, again, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.